3 protective order violations, and the judge has finally had enough. A $1 bond increase, a revoked PR bond, and a GPS monitor change everything. But what happens next may surprise you.
Hi, good morning. Good morning, Mr. West. Mr. West, you're charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement where they're offering you 30 days in jail, credit for the 9 days that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. You can never take it off. From now on, you're facing a minimum of 30 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up. Do you understand?
And there's also a criminal mischief charge he's pleading.
Oh, I see that too. It looks like the criminal mischief is going to be dismissed.
No, he's pleading to that as well.
Oh, he is. I don't have one.
I only got one, and I didn't get another.
Are they not filed?
Should be fine.
Sorry.
I'm sorry, but let me say that one. I don't have the first one.
You are harder to get a hold of than the Pope. Why don't you come to court? When you come to court, good things happen, man. You know?
It should have been, I've been weighing gas, and it should be hard for me to get up here.
Come on, man.
I'm not, that's the only reason.
When you come to court, good things happen. We have things that we can give you, cell phones, tablets, food, place to eat, place to sleep, whatever you want, we can give you. All you got to do is come to court. Like, this is all the time. Come to court. From now on, it's now, because of the two, now you're facing minimum 90 days in jail. Any new cases that you pick up, you go back to this place where this trespass was from. It's probably not going to go well for you. Do you understand? So on your mischief case, it's the same deal applies. It's 30 days in jail, credit for the 9 days that you've done. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront, cross-examine accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, it will go on your record. You never take it off. Is this what you want to do, Mr. West? How do you plead to both cases? Guilty or not guilty?
Yeah.
You're facing a year on the mischief and then 6 months on the other one. If you pick up any new cases, come to court. It's not hard. Good luck.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
So I have Guadalupe Guerrero on docket today. I wanted to talk to you about his bond. He picked up a VPO. So I just wanted to see if you were going to revoke his bond. He has no bond in felony, and I have no arguments.
Is he in custody?
Yes, sir.
PDR as well, Judge.
Oh, you picked up a felony DPO.
And one for us. I don't have any arguments, Judge.
Not Mr. Guerrero, please. Yeah. Lupe. I don't even know what happened, so let's figure it out. I mean, all I know is that this is a third VPO. You know?
Correct. The state has made an offer. He wants to think about it. If we can get a reset until after his felony court date, which is next month, I believe April 23rd. And then on our next setting, he'll let us know.
Did you offer?
I'm Sebastian.
Or is this?
Yeah, Sebastian offered a tentative offer of maybe 90 days. He didn't put it in yet, though.
Okay. It'd be interesting to see. Is there an offer upstairs too? Do you know?
Let me check.
I mean, it's a new case. It's like,
It's brand new.
I can't imagine there is. It was filed,
Mhm.
5 days ago. So
Yeah.
No offer on the cases.
Yeah.
theoretically, we could have a hearing to hold him at no bond.
I leave it to the court. He has no bond upstairs, regardless, he's going to be here.
Let's see what they said. Okay. Good morning, Mr. Guerrero. With us, you have picked up a terroristic threat in January of this year. A month later, you picked up a violation of protective order. It's now come to my attention that you've picked up yet another violation of protective order. I have no idea what happened in that new case. We're going to find out. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. The felony.
The felony? Okay, yes, Judge. On February 28th, 2025, an officer was dispatched to a suspicious persons call at a residence in Harris County, Texas. On scene, the officer observed the defendant across the street from the complainant's house. The complainant advised that she made multiple reports on the defendant, and on January 28th, 2025, the defendant was ordered not to go within 200 feet of the complainant's residence as a part of a MOA. The defendant was at her residence on February 27th, 2025, and stayed about 20 minutes and knocked on a window. On February 28th, 2025, the defendant returned and the complainant observed the defendant sitting on her porch.
So the newest one is from the 28th. Just gets filed in March.
Yes. Yeah.
Do we know if any threats or anything like that happened?
No threats are alleged. We've made 2 attempts to reach out to the complainant since the incident, and she hasn't answered yet.
Okay. We have court orders for a reason. You know, we don't like to just put people in jail willy-nilly for just your shice and giggles. And I get that you have nowhere else to go, but a court order is a court order. You know, if you ever have any issues, come back, talk to us. Perhaps we can work something out, but you just can't do stuff on your own. It's not the worst, right? So what I'll do is I'm just going to raise the terroristic threat by $1. Okay. I'm not going to give you a bond reduction yet on the new case. So on the VPO, the violation case that you have with us, the bond is set at $25,000. On the terroristic threat, your bond is set at $2,500. You have a PR bond on that case. I'm going to yank the PR bond because we can't just continue to do this. I'm only going to raise it up by $1, but I don't know if you're going to get out, but how do we get your attention, Mr. Guerrero? You know, what do we do? No means no. So I am now going to place a leg monitor on you. If you get released, I'm putting a monitor on you and I'm giving you 1,000 feet radius that you're not to go where she lives or where she works. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I don't know if you're going to get out because you're being held at no bond on felony case, but if you do, just don't go back. That's all we're asking you to do. Okay, so
We're gonna get a reset until after the felony, so he can think about the offer and see what's happening there. And then
okay, so the felony's set for
April
April
23rd,
23rd. Do you want to do the day after?
Yeah.
Okay.
the day after.
I'm sorry, but we just come back. We can find you a place to stay, Mr. Guerrero. Doesn't have to be like this. Really. All right. Good luck, Fred. So I need him to sign conditions
Okay.
before he takes off.
Okay.
So
I'll need
Felicia, GPS prior to release, no weapons, no going within 1,000 feet of lives, work, and then prior to release.
Yes, Judge.
And then, so 2501
Yeah.
Please. on the terroristic threat. Guerrero.
The judge made his message crystal clear. No means no. But was a GPS monitor enough? Or should he have faced tougher consequences? Subscribe for more intense courtroom moments and real judge reactions.